Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Look, I'm at my laptop hours and hours a day, as I'm sure a lot of you are, especially if you're watching videos like this. Let me show you what might just save you a little bit and a little neck ache and so forth that you might be having. Stay tuned, let's take a look at this. Hey everybody, I know a lot of people don't, this is like a gadget, but it really isn't. Now, I've always had a platform for my laptop to sit on, even on my desk and so forth, so it raises it up so I can see it better. It's straight instead of me looking down. Same with the keypad. I like it up and tilted a little bit. This does that. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it comes in, just a nice box. It's kind of light. There are some out on the market that I don't believe you're really going to like that much. The plastic ones and so forth. This comes in its box. And then it comes in a little bag for your, packing it away, taking it with you and so forth. Now this is what this is. I know you're thinking, what the hell? Now this is really, it's made of aluminum, high quality aluminum. I mean, it's really nice. Okay, now what you do with this is you go like that. You open that baby up. You can take these legs on the bottom. These are going to be on your desk. And under here you go like this. You take that down, put it in the hole. So now it's on the desk. So what do you do now? Let me show you how this works. Okay, it works really great. Most laptop ones do, except for this one is a lot more sturdier. It's a light, like I said, aluminum, has all the pads. It really is a nice unit. So if you want to save yourself some neck pain, some ache, get one of these. I would not suggest getting the plastic ones. They really just don't hold up, and a lot of them don't have this much adjustment. Now the only thing I didn't like about this, I mean, granted, maybe over time, these here, I think should have a different or a little harder, where it actually stayed in there while moving it around, like a hook or something. But other than that, once it's set, it's done. You don't worry about it. It doesn't affect anything. You're going to put it on your desk, what have you, and it's really just going to sit there. But it is a wonderful thing to have. I think you'll like it. Inexpensive. I'll have a link in the description for you, and check it out for yourself. Hey, I appreciate you being here as always, and remember, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that like button most of all. Now, we really like that when you do that, because it helps this channel out, and you're the reason why we're here. So I appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you. Have a great day.